applause. Yeah, standing ovation. Ooh, yeah. You look so wrong right now. Standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Just cut it out. And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry, you got caught.
Pwede tayo kila Carl. Pwede tayo kila Carl.
Para show.
Dali mo una ka.
Now it's time to go.
Takit ka. Kay Carl. Kila Carl. Kila Carl.
Doesn't very entertaining. But it's over now. Don't wanna take about.
Risha.
Somebody hurry up. Ankles go. Talking about coming on, please. Then I say something.
Ano? Sinatan yan gini.
Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Really, and you go. Now it's time to go. First it's time to go.
Gago.
Look for the show. Very entertaining, but it's over.
Uy, dun sa may mga basa, Smarty. Oh, dun na.
Believe that you will see. Therefore, to me, like hear your speech.
Ano daw?
Standing ovation, not a pretty part of show. Feeling and going, never stop. Pressing for you, but a show. Very entertaining. But it's so, don't wanna take.
Tapos na?